Okay, this video is going to talk you through how to start drawing your desk tiling. Okay, by the end of this step, we should be getting to a point something like this. Okay, which shows our curved top and also our lap joint on the bottom. Okay, so we're going to start off by creating or drawing our crate. Okay, our crate is, as you can see on this drawing, the rectangular section that we draw inside. Okay, now I know for this product we want to do about 8 triangles down. Okay, so we're going to just look at our triangles, we put a dot there and then count down 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Put a dot. I'm going to spin my page round so it's nice and comfortable for me to get my straight line through these. Okay, don't worry if you make a little mistake. Remember, it's using light lines. I made a little mistake there. I'm going to start that bit again. Okay, something like that is fine. Okay, we're going to start off by drawing the face part. Okay, which is this sort of part here. Okay, so I now know I need to count 6 rectangles triangles this way. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 to there. Okay, and just add that line in. Okay, I'm going to do the same at the bottom, which is 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 there. Okay, and then straight up. Now remembering, it's dead important, guys, we're doing light lines. Okay, even these lines I'm drawing now are slightly darker than I'd normally try and do, but I need to do them so they show up. Now from each corner, this corner, this corner, and this corner, I need to go back 2 triangles. Okay, you can see I'm spinning the page round to make it comfortable for me when I'm drawing. Okay, and now it's a case of just joining up. Okay, so I've got that one joined up there, and that one joined up there. Okay, you can see I've also got my paper taped, okay, to the isometric grid to ensure I stay on the grid, and shows everything does move, it doesn't come off the grid, so I can still stay really accurately on the line. Okay, next bit we've got to do is worry about drawing this curve section. Okay, so to draw the curve, you can see on here, okay, I've come down 2 triangles. Okay, now if we look at an actual product, okay, the square would be across here. We've come down, we want to come down that section to give us our accurate curve. So what we're going to do from each corner is come down 2 triangles and add a dot. Okay, so from this corner, 1, 2 down, we put a little dot. From this corner, 1, 2 down, put a dot. From this corner, 1, 2 down, put a dot. And this corner here, 1, 2 down, and put a dot. This is the one that causes most confusion, but just remember, we come down 2 from each corner. Next thing we've got to do is find the middle. Okay, so the middle along the top, we know we've done 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 triangles. So we're going to count 3. Okay, and I'm going to put a dot there. We'll do the same on the back. 1, 2, 3, and a dot there. Now the first thing I'm going to do is just join up with a single line the 2 dots to each other. Okay, they're sort of next to each other. So those dots there. Okay, well, dots on the front, which would be this one, and this one. I need to create a curve using my wrist. Okay, to get a nice flowing curve. Okay, so you see I've got the nice curve on the front. And do the same on the back. What's important here is we try and get a parallel curve to this one. Okay, so we want to try and replicate almost the curve that's on the front. And then the same on this side. So we need to almost loop it round. Okay, and then we can join those up. Okay, so that now gives us our nice curved part on the top. To add the lap joint, okay, the lap joint's purpose is to give us a greater strength when we're actually attaching the 2 pieces of wood together. Okay, the lap joint should be about half the thickness. This one's actually been cut a little bit too deep. Okay, but it should be about half the thickness. Okay, and it needs to be as thick as the piece of wood. Okay, so if we make this piece of wood 2 triangles deep, the bottom piece will also be 2 triangles deep. Okay, so we need to go up here, 2 triangles, then come forward 1. Okay, and then from this point we can take the line across. Okay, now on the front point here we've gone across 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 triangles. We do the same from here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 triangles. Okay, now some people have a tendency to want to take this all the way across. Then this then goes up here. Okay. Now I know this is the shape we want to keep, so actually what we can do at this stage, we don't need to, you shouldn't need to because you've done nice flat lines, is rub out the lines that we know aren't actually going to be kept on the final drawing. Okay, now again, like I say, if your lines are light enough, you won't need to do this. Okay, but that's stage one of how to draw the back part of your lamp.